Hi everyone, I am Prasanna from Trendy Gardeners. First of all, happy Navaratri to everyone. In this video, I am going to share a few points about this beautiful plant and how to maintain this plant also. And friends, this plant name is Oxalis and it is very unique in structure and even the way of behavior is also different. Why? Because the leaves of the plant will look like a butterfly, friends. See, each stem have 3 leaves and this plant have flowers also, very small flowers but very beautiful flower, purple color one only. And this plant is available in multiple colors like green, yellow, purple and purple with black shade. This one is pure purple one only. And the unique point of the Oxalis plant is the way of behavior of these leaves. Yes, why? Because see, it's almost like 5 p.m. That's why it's going to drop down like a butterfly. And I will tell why it will happen like this. See, till the natural light will available, the leaves will be up, and once the natural light is going down, the leaves will be down. Because of the structure of the leaf, the way we look, it is as it is butterfly. This is very unique and beautiful point with this plant. Now I will tell about how to maintain this plant. It's very easy. You should have to concern about watering way. You should have to pour water whenever the ground is dry. See, now it is wet, so don't do water. If you already have this plant, be careful with this. Why? Because if you do little bit over watering also, there is a chance to get died. So that is only the problem. Remaining everything is fine with this plant. You need not concern about it. And if you want to give some plant food, please give it. It will grow very speed. And if you want to propagate these plants, do from the bulb, because the each and every stem will come with the bulb only. You cannot propagate from the cutting of the stem. Means this plant cuttings, you should have to maintain the bulbs. You can partition this plant, that means you can make it each stem as a different plant. Yes, you can keep it each stem in each pot, then it will propagate, it will generate new stems through bulbs only. So please don't cut if you want to propagate. That is the main point I want to say to you. And these are the 3 points. The first point is watering, and the second point is plant food, and the third point is propagation. These 3 points are the very important points if you have this Oxalis plant. Remaining everything is like regular plants only. Yes, this is I want to say to you. And I potted with a beautiful ceramic pot. The ceramic pot consisting two colors, orange color on white one. It is also just like a paint droppings. It adds some little bit beauty to this pot. If you want to book this plant, friends, please drop a message to my number, which I mentioned in this video description. And this is the way we deliver the plants to our customer. We always think about our plant safety. Thank you guys. Bye bye. We will meet in another video.